Mick, Mick! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hi, shark. I'm inside the shark. It's not eating me. Okay. Where's Mick Mick? Where's Mick Mick? Amais ka. Oh, come on. Everyone is small. Why are we so small? Make it to the other side. What's that? Mick Mick, akyat. Oh no, Mick Mick. You need to jump. Oh, Mick Mick. Mick Mick, you fell down. Hey, Moe. You won also. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Where's the missiles? Jump, 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 jump. Where's Mick Mick? Mick Mick, you get... Okay. Oh no, no, Moe, Moe. Where are you? Oh no, you both die. Oh no, Kuya Moe didn't die. Where are we going? Sakay? I don't know. I think I need to ride this one. I think that is stuck. You won, guys. I did. I'm a noob in riding that. Guys, what happened? You, you all died. Here? Click, guys. Click, click. Hey, you're not clicking the button, guys. Guys, watch out for the wall. Mick, come here. Mick, Bowie. I can see you died. Okay, jump, 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 jump. That's a big wall. Tsunami, tsunami, get tsunami. Sorry. Yeah, tsunami is Tagalog. Guys, we're at the top. Mawika L15 is here. Here's Mama Iska. Mama Iska. Where are you, Mama Iska? Mick drown.
Ding 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 ding.
Mick,
Ding ding
what are we
ding.
going to do here? What are we gonna do here, guys? What's this? Skip the meme. Hey, did you ride? Miss Kuya Mo always said this floating like that. Can I ride too? Get down quickly. Where? Here. Guys, come on. Meow. We're running like Among Us. We're all the blue. Okay. We win. It's okay. Try again. Oh no, Mick. Oh no. I have been killed too. Hi guys. We'll try again next time. Let's push this ball. BDG 1234 is the winner. Stay safe. Go Mick. Climb up Mick. Go Mick. Mick, jump. Oh no, Mick died. I drowned also. I'm dead. You can do it. Wala na, ubos na. Oy. What's that? Are we going to die? There's so many kitties. Get some coins, guys. Okay. Ball pit. Ow! Oh! What's that? Where's Mick? Mick, where are you? Run from the shark! Mick! Yeah. Hi shark, I'm inside the shark. It's not eating me. Okay. Welcome to Simon Says. The correct color is Simon Says blue, light blue. This is light blue. Come here, Mick. Good job, Moe. You're still alive. Simon Says orange. Here. Oh. Good job, Kuya. You're in orange, Kuya. Simon Says black. White. Mick, come here. Oh no! It's okay. Mick fell down. Kuya's still alive. Oh, we win. It's okay. Try again. Are you crying? Oh no, Mick is gonna fight. Oh no. No, we're already dead. They Kuya Moe punched me. Let's punch him. Let's go back. Oh no, Mouth 2037 wins. What's this? It's an invisible floor? Oh. Ah! I died. Oh, so you need to run, Mick. Run. You can do it, Mick. Oh, you hulog. I hulog too. Hi, Mick. Let's touch the green ball. I make. Why your name is... Oh, you won. Okay, okay. Come on. Go at the front. I know this already. Mm. Oh no, what happened to my car? It's flying outside the tracks. I died. Oh no, where's Kuya Moe? Oh no, Kuya Moe won. Is that Kuya Moe's car? Yes. Hi at the above. We're the noobs. We are the noobs. Jason. It's this. Oh. Be careful. Yeah. Don't. Oh no. Don't. You, Alexan, you brought back Jason to me. I went in the back of the tent. Ha. You die. Get away from the house? Why? Hey, Mick, they said they get out. Get out. You're gonna explode, Mick.
I want to be a Minecraft, but I want to be a Minecraft movie.
Okay. Huggy Wuggy. Ah, the pot of Huggy Wuggy is it not? Oh no. I died, Mick. I'm the first one to be dead. Hey, you survived? Or did you jump outside? You jump outside. Okay. The floor is lava, Mick. You need to jump with the red line. You need to jump with the red lines, Mick. Yeah, we'll win with Alexandra. Okay, I get the Roblox coin. Hey, where's our name, guys?
My name is Nick.
Make it to the other side again. Oh, Mick, I will help you. Come on. Uh, huh, 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 huh. Oh no, Mick. You don't want to be a noob. Why? This is me. Oh no. No, I'm not. Mick. Watch out for the wall. Where's the wall? Guys? Where's the wall? I am late. I get crushed. Hi, Moe. Mick, you can do it. Did you die? Oh no. I Mick. Oh, come on. Let's put our head. Mick, put your head. Oh no. We're the 3-1. It's Mama, it's Ka, Mick, and Moe, Kael, Moe. And 21 Lawrence, 21 is Papa. Our our head is sticking out, guys. Beware of tsunami. We're gonna go up. Oh, I died. Mick, you need to beware of the red lines. That's a laser. Hi, Mick.
Let's push the button to the green.
The green? Okay, this one.
And the alien.
Where's Kuya? Did Kuya survive? Oh, there's Kuya. Hi, Kuya Moe. You survived, Kuya Moe. Okay, we'll try again, Mick. Are you going to cry? Watch out for lasers. Guys, lasers. Oh, Mick died already.
What?
That laser is too hard. Ball pit. Oh no, that's
What? Uh, oh, huh. Hey, what's going on? Hey, why did you got the bird? Hey, why did you got the bird? This one song. Ah. Yes, I won!
Pizza!
Pizza. I'm gonna pizza. I'm gonna get pizza. Okay. And pizza, 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 pizza. Alright, go. Papa, I think I don't like. I think I'm afraid. Papa, can we play mermaid game? And Papa, if you're gonna kill me, I'm gonna kill. Ow! No, you killed me! Oh! Yes! Ate, it's my energy. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Hello, Papa. Let's push the button now. Guys. Hey, guys, we're gonna die. No! Papa, what? Papa, try again! Hey! Whoa. Papa, can I?
think fast. Go up. Good job, Moe. And make me. Hey, Kuya Moe, did you move? Oh no, this one again. Mick, don't kill me. Kill the other guy. Oh no, Alexandra killed me. Oh, we're all killed. First Kuya. He's fighting. Oh no. Oh no. Who's that? Hi, Kuya. We already died. We also died. Oh no, fight, fight, fight. Mikmik, Mikmik. Yan, yan. Makaganti tayo kay Mikmik. Yeah! I punched Mama Skull here. Oh no, trampoline, mate. What happened? I cannot go to the trampoline. Oh, that's a big coin. Can you go here, guys? Where are you? You need to go here. Watch out for the rocks. Mikmik! Is that a rock? That's a log! Yes, I can see you're still alive. Get down quickly. Run, Mikmik, run! Run, Mikmik, run! Oh, Mikmik, you win! You win also, Kuya Moe. Hi, Moe Kyle 15. Oh no, this is my favorite game. Simon says... Uh, Simon says color blue. Blue! You can do it, Mick. Go here at the middle. Simon says pink, 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 Mick. Pink. Jump! Good job, Mick! I can see you jump! Only the three of us. Only the three of us. Red, red, Mick, red, red! Yeah! Good job, Mick! I can see you jump! I think we win already. Yay! Good job, Mick! Speed run, guys. No, I died. This is too hard, Nick. You watch me. I died already, Mick. What are we going to buy here? Hmm. Ano yung mermaid game? O sige, saan tayo pupunta sa mermaid game? Okay, let's go. What's that? Laser. Mama duck. Moe, let's go to the ducks. Saan tayo pupunta?